the National Weather Service in Fort Worth, in north central Texas, northern Collin County in north central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anna, or 10 miles north of McKinney, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include McKinney, Greenville, Anna, Princeton, Salina, Farmersville, Van Alstyne, Lowry Crossing, Caddo Mills, Celeste, Melissa, Blue Ridge, Nevada, Josephine, New Hope, Weston, Naylandville, and Westminster. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 83 and 100. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.